Hi guys, this is Mamta from Wipro Overseas Services. So before starting with this today's subject, please subscribe and like my channel for the further updates. So today we are going to cover about financial capacity and the proof of funds for the Canadian study visa. Firstly, I am focusing on the SGS enabled countries like India and Pakistan. So suppose if you are going to apply under SGS category, mainly you need to pay 1 year tuition fee. It may vary from 10,000, 20,000 or 30,000 Canadian dollars, depend upon your choice of program and the college. And you need to purchase GIC of 10,000 Canadian dollar, which is mandatory to apply under SGS category. And you need to clear a IELTS under 6 bands category, and now PTE and TOFEL also added for under SGS category. I will make a separate video in the coming days for the PTE and the TOFEL separately. And let's consider an example. Suppose if your tuition fee is around 16,000 Canadian dollar and your GIC is around 10,000 Canadian dollars, so you need to invest 26,000 Canadian dollar as an first initial investment. And even after paying the GIC and the 1 year tuition fee, today I am focusing on the extra financial documents even after paying GIC and the 1 year tuition fee. Why it is important, I am going to explain in this video. So before explaining all this, first I need to explain that what is immovable property. Any property of your building, land, property of home which is known as immovable property, and it is also known as fixed asset. What is liquid asset? Liquid asset, the amount in your current account or in your saving account, your fixed deposit, policy investment, your car, amount, and your liquid assets and your jewelry all coming and all comes under liquid assets. And what your family income, the income and the earnings earned by all your family members. It can be in your parents name, grandparents name. In India, if suppose let's consider you are a fresher and freshly passed out and nothing is in your name, in those scenarios it can be in your parent name and grandparent name. There is no rule that everything should be in your name. And let's consider what is the proof of your liquid fund. You should get a balance certificate from your bank or a balance sheet from your bank with the signed and sealed, and valuation report for the property from a civil engineer. And what is the proof for your family income? Family income proof is your ITR. I insist all my client family to fill the ITR, and you yourself employed, you should also mandatory file the ITR. ITR is considered one of the important factor in getting the Canadian study visa and your loan. If your guys are going for next year second year loan, so in those cases ITR plays a very important role. So yeah, please insist all your family member to file ITR. And if you are working outside India, what is your proof of income? In those scenario, your form 16, your salary slip, and your appointment letter act as an proof. And and all these reports should be attached along with the CA. What basically we CA will do? CA will compile all those report, the evaluation of the property report from the civil engineering, bank balance from the bank, and the family income from the ITR. All these three reports will be compiled together. It is known as net worth as a CA report. So it is not a mandatory document to attach for the Canadian study visa, but I will tell what is my idea behind attaching the CA report to create a positive impact on the Canadian study visa. Suppose if you guys are going for 1 year study visa, you have paid already 1 year tuition fee and GIC. In those scenarios, no need to worry about your this kind of documents. You can straight away fill your Canada. You can straight away fill your visa. Guys are going for 2 year programs. In those cases also CA certificate is not mandatory. I will explain what is my logic behind attaching this CA report. Suppose if you guys are going for the 2 years program, for 1 year you already paid the tuition fee and the GIC has been purchased for 1 year. And what about the second year? For the second year, you have to prove for the visa officer that you are financially strong enough and you have got a strong family ties, so that after going to the Canada, you will not put all your energy in the working, and you don't need to work over there, and your family is financially secure to support for your second year program. And after reaching Canada, you will just put and after reaching Canada, whatever amount you are working is just for your pocket money. There is no such condition that you should work and pay your second year tuition fee, since your family is well enough to support your studies. Such liquid asset is sufficient for the Canadian study visa. So family income and the liquid assets all combined together, 15 to 20 lakhs is sufficient for the Canadian study visa to create a positive impact. Suppose your family income is of 5 lakhs and it will have a negative impact rather than positive. I will explain. Suppose your tuition fees is around 8 to 10 lakhs, and how your family is going to pay your tuition fee and support your next year tuition fee, and what the house they will survive in the balance amount. In such cases, if we attach the CA report, it will have a negative impact rather than positive. So in such cases, no need to attach the CA report if your family net worth is less and your family income is lower than 5 to 10 lakhs. If it is of 15 to 20 lakhs, you should attach and it will have a positive impact. What is an impact of having the fixed asset? Fixed assets shows that you belongs to well-to-do family, and it act as a prospect of returning home, and a visa officer will satisfy that there is no need to worry about the second year tuition fee, and after completion of your education you will return to your home country. The prospect of returning home, and it shows your home ties is very strong. And I will make an affidavit showing that this is all my property, and in case of any emergency for the study of my to my daughter or son, I will always there support for our next year tuition fee. And I will also add another one affidavit saying that all these property are inherited by her, or him. So it will act as a strong family ties and prospect of returning home. This is how to create a positive impact on the Canadian study visa. This is how my mindset works. Thanks for watching my video. I will be back with the next video. See you. Bye.